Hey YouTube family, welcome back to my YouTube channel. A very Merry Christmas to you all, and hope you all are doing well. So the reason behind me shooting this video is to tell you guys about something special. So to the ones who have already subscribed to my channel might have a hint about what I'm going to speak about, but to the ones who don't know, I am releasing my new song very soon. So it's been a while since I last released a song. So here's coming one very soon. Actually, I've done a vlog with all the scenes, between the scenes, behind the scenes, whatever that is. I did do a vlog, but I lost the footage due to some reason. I tried retrieving it back, but I couldn't. So I'm sorry about that, but don't worry. The song is releasing very soon. And the title of the song is Zulm. This time it's going to be something different because I usually sing mainstream songs. So this is different. I promise. I promise you guys you are going to enjoy this one. So stay tuned for the song as I'm releasing it very soon. By the weekend, it's gonna be out. So thank you very much to all of you who have been supporting me, watching my vlogs, watching my videos, and be safe. Take care of yourselves. Until we meet again. See ya.